In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sub-account on GoHighLevel. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a sub-account is permanent and can remove associated assets. If there's anything you need to keep, like contacts, conversations, funnels, or reports, consider exporting or documenting that information beforehand. You'll also want to make sure you have agency-level permissions, since only agency users can remove sub-accounts. Start by making sure you're in the agency view. This is the top-level view where you manage all client locations. If you can see your list of client accounts and the agency dashboard options, you're in the right place. If you're not seeing those, switch into the agency view first. Next, open the sub-account section. This is where all of your client locations or workspaces are listed in one place, making it easy to locate the one you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct sub-account. Double-check the name to avoid deleting the wrong one. Find the specific sub-account you want to delete and click the three dots menu next to it. That small menu reveals management options for that particular account. From that menu, choose Manage Client. This takes you into the management page for the selected sub-account, where you can see actions and settings specific to that client. Once you're on the client management screen, look for the Actions button. This is the control center for high-level tasks related to the account. Click Actions to open the list of available actions. Among these, you'll see the option to delete. Click Delete. At this point, expect a confirmation prompt. This is your final checkpoint to ensure you're deleting the correct sub-account. Read the confirmation message carefully and only proceed if you're absolutely certain. If you've done your backups and verified dependencies, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The system will process the request and remove the sub-account from your list. After deletion, it's a good idea to refresh your sub-accounts page to verify the account is gone. If you don't see it, the process is complete. If it still appears, give it a moment and refresh again. That's it. Simple and secure when done carefully. To recap, be in Agency View, open sub-accounts, use the three dots menu on the right account, select Manage Client, open Actions, and choose Delete. Handle your data beforehand, confirm the right account, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.